Well, a lot of people assume that landscaping, because it's with plants, means that it's naturally green and environmentally friendly, but that's not true. There's a lot of plants that people use in the landscape that are very hard to grow here, and they require a lot of work. Pesticides, they require a lot of fertilizers and a lot of care, and water. And so what I did here is went for plants that were native to this area so that they had a natural resistance to disease, to the pests, and water requirements. The patio in the back is a flagstone patio, but it's set in a permeable base. And what we did there, it's a natural drainage area for the backyard. And we had to figure out what to do with the water, but still have a nice usable patio. So what we did, we used some reclaimed concrete. It's called R-base, which is also environmentally friendly because it's not going into the landfill. They crush it. We use that as the base below it, and then we set the stone in and planted mondo grass. And what that area does is allows the water from the backyard to run into it and percolate through that down into the soil. It takes any pollutants, any pesticides, fertilizers out, and allows the water to go back into the groundwater clean. The irrigation system is called a Smart Line by a company called Weathermatic, and it is designed to save water and to use water smarter is what it does. From the heads that we use to the controller, and it has a weather station. Now, the weather station allows it to, based on your zip code and where you live and weather conditions, every day it measures evaporation, what they call evapotranspiration, which is the amount of moisture in the air. And so it knows what's going on around your yard.